Hi guys, welcome back here to Formula 1 Manager 2022. Yeah, and we are going to be doing some practice runs before Saturday's qualifying and Sunday's race. We are here today at the Jeddah Corniche circuit. Yeah, and here we have the points standing for teams and drivers. These are the team standings at the moment. We are managing the Alfa Romeo team. We have 8 team points. Third is Mercedes, then we have Red Bull and Ferrari in second and first. Alright, let's have a look at the drivers. Valtteri Bottas, he's got 8 points. We are currently in 6th position here with the driver's points. Where's our other driver? Valtteri Bottas. And Guan Yu, where is he? Okay, he hasn't got any points yet. We're going to try and give him some points for Sunday's race. Though it's after the race that the drivers and their teams will get the points. So, yeah. Here we have the upcoming events. This is going to be episode 9. Almost forgot to mention that. We're going to have a look in the email here. We got an email. We're going to go into the inbox here. Jean Manger suspension manufactured. Let's have a look what they have to say.
It looks like the engineering team have just finished manufacturing a car part. It's a suspension system, one the team designed earlier. Improving our cars is a constant process. The other teams won't be taking it easy. And having a cutting-edge car is vital if we want to stay competitive against our rivals. New car parts are initially designed by the team. They can then be manufactured and installed on either car. This suspension has already been manufactured, so we just need to install it. To do this, head over to the car warehouse.
Car part installation. Okay, we're gonna head over here to the car warehouse.
From the cars area, you can manage everything relating to the cars and their build. From car analysis to car parts to new development projects.
Okay, cars. Every team has 2 cars, one for each driver. The car is an integral, yeah. Here we have the car parts. Each car is made up of 9 different car parts. 9, okay. These are 6 aerodynamic parts, which are designed and manufactured by your in-house engineering team. There are also 3 powertrain car parts, which are built by a manufacturer. Confirmed.
Uninstalled car parts are stored in the warehouse, including our newly manufactured suspension.
Okay.
We might be able to use it to improve one of our current car setups. Here at the warehouse, you can find all the car parts that make up an F1 car. We can develop aerodynamic car parts in-house during the season. You're here for the new suspension.
Suspension. Down here.
Right. All the available suspension designs are here to look through. Notice how both cars currently have the same suspension design installed. Check the new design at the top of the list. As each car can only have one suspension fitted, you'll want to check the stats of the new design to see if it's worth replacing the old one.
Growth of this car is determined by 12 attributes. Each car part will contribute to different attributes. Alright, you can read that out for yourselves, guys. Open the DRS. Opening the DRS reduces the drag on the car and in turn increases the top speed of acceleration. Nice.
Take the time here to compare the two designs. You may also want to pay attention to the stats that are crucial for the next race, and see which suspension is more suitable for that circuit. Looks like this new design only has positive impacts on the car. That's great news. We only have one copy of this suspension at the moment, so you need to decide which car to install it on. Select the new suspension design and get it installed. Can't wait to see this in action on the race weekend.
Alright, we're gonna come in here and install it on car number 2. Install on car 1 or install on car 2? I wanna install it on car number... Where is car number 2? Why does it say 4 here and 1 here? Is that the car 2 and car 1, I wonder? Car 1.
Great work. That's the new suspension fitted. If you want to have more copies of this design manufactured, you can do so from here. Just remember those F1 mandated spending caps, the official limit on how much we can spend on car development and improvement each season.
Okay, that is car number 1 up here, and this is car number 2 down here. Alright.
If you don't want the team to manufacture anything right now, we should probably head back.
Car 1, performance. Alright. Yeah, it's already installed on car 1, so we can probably head back.
Right then. Now you finished the installation, there's one more project for you to kick off. Let's head back to the cars area. Here we are again. We've already fitted our cars with the best available car parts. But in F1, we also need to keep on innovating to stay competitive. Take a look at car parts development, where we can start a new design project. There are 3 different types of projects the engineering team can work on. We can design a new car part for use this season, manufacture copies of existing designs, or undertake research to develop our team's expertise for next season. Let's focus on this season for now. That means designing a new car part. These are car parts we can design and manufacture in-house. Each car part impacts different areas of a car's performance, but certain car parts will have a greater impact than others. You can also view our car performance by rank on grid. This is a useful comparison tool and lets you take a look over the different car parts. The highlights indicate which performance areas they impact the most. Pick one that impacts the ratings you want to improve. The team's expertise in making new car parts improves with experience, so each new design is likely to be better than an older one. Just make sure to check the new design against the one currently installed. Testing is also an important step in designing a new car part. Our testing time is limited throughout the season, and it's up to you to decide how much to commit to each design project. If you assign some testing time to this design now, you can see what effect it will have on the car part. Once you've taken a look, let's continue. You can direct the engineering team to focus on specific areas of performance. F1 car parts are complex, and sometimes you'll have to sacrifice performance in one area to achieve gains in another. Over the season, we'll understand more about our car's performance, which will help you to guide the team's design focus. You can try altering the focus now if you like, or else stick with a balanced approach. When you're ready, continue with the process.
So we can here reduce the drag for the car. We have here The airflow, we can adjust that as well. Engine cooling, we're gonna up that a little bit, and probably should reduce the drag here. 1 second. Something like that, maybe.
As a final step before the team gets started on this design project, you need to decide how many engineers you want working on it. You should also decide what approach they should take. Bear in mind, these decisions will have an impact on the duration and cost of the project. When you're happy with everything, confirm the project and the team will get started. Nice work. That's the project started. If you check your calendar, you'll see the team have given you a delivery date for the design. Once it's complete, you'll be able to manufacture that part anytime. Continually designing new car parts is imperative to improving our team's performance and staying competitive on the track. That's probably enough focus on cars for now. We've installed a new suspension, and you've directed your first design project. You're pretty much ready to handle things yourself now. Our staff and facilities have a significant impact on the... If you ever find yourself needing any further information, don't forget you can use the help function for guidance. Okay, I need to head back over to aerodynamics. I'll be in touch again now and then.
Alright, let's just check the mail here really quick, the last two. Charles Leclerc claimed, yeah, the checker flag in Bahrain. Now what do we have here? The board watch at the Bahrain International Circuit. This weekend you can read that out for yourselves, guys. Let's check out the email here. Alright, well that goes. The next race is the Saudiarabian Grand Prix at the Jeddah Corniche circuit. Yeah. Check out the info. We have the info to the track here. Race forecast, clear skies, circuit linked, 6.174 kilometers. Race distance, the number of laps, and the lap record here. Brilliant. What do we have here in the race? Review the targets. We have here reach Q3, finish position, and qualifying positions 3, 1, 3. Alright. Let's head back then. We're gonna head over to race weekend, which is probably gonna be the practice on a Friday.
Formula One is back. Welcome to one of the fastest circuits on the calendar here at Jeddah. The Saudi Arabian Grand Prix is about to kick off, and the atmosphere here is electric. The Jeddah Street Circuit has one of the fastest average speeds, as well as the most corners of any track on the calendar. Good high-speed downforce is going to make life in the fast lane a little easier for drivers here this weekend. We might still be early in the season, but that doesn't mean we can sit back and relax.
Alright. Saudi Arabian Grand Prix Practice 1. Let's go to it. Run plan 15 laps. Alright, our two drivers are using the soft compounds. Let's go to practice. We can manage the practice, or we can here simulate the session, or we can simulate the qualifying, simulate all remaining practice sessions. What are we gonna do here? Simulate this session. Let your staff manage this session. Manually direct your team to this. We're gonna do this one here for the practice session, I think. Alright, Valtteri Bottas here, 7th, and our other driver, Chow. He came in 11th in practice. Practice 1. Let's continue here. We have here the track acclimatization info there. And those are the P1 goals there. Alright, we're going to go into practice 2. Second practice, I think we have 3 practice runs here. The compounds here are the soft tires. Car parts are all fitted, and let's go to practice number 2. We're gonna let the staff do it again this time. Alright. 6th and 9th. Alright, brilliant. There is your info on the track acclimatization for practice 2.
We return for the next day of our highly anticipated race weekend, which sees the end of practice and the start of qualifying. Practice 3 affords the teams one final opportunity to tweak their setups as the drivers get in.
Alright, we are here in practice 3. We're gonna let the staff handle that again, I should think. Down here we have qualifying, so we're gonna do that manually in the next video. But first of all, let's go into practice 3 here. Compounds are the soft tires. We have all the parts are fitted for car 1 and car 2. So we're gonna come up here and yeah, let yourself simulate this session. Alright, let's see where our 2 drivers are in P3. Not bad here. 7th and in 11th place. In P2 we were here in 6th, so that's pretty good too. Let's continue. Alright, that is where we are gonna end the video, guys. Qualifying is gonna be in the next one, so I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, watch all the videos and like the videos, and we'll see you guys in qualifying.